Guys, I have a confession to make. Honestly speaking, I hate social media. It kind of feels good to say that out loud. And as someone who's trying to make a career out of social media, I definitely shouldn't be saying this. But it's true, I hate social media. I mean, social media is great. You post a picture on social media, maybe a video, maybe a reel. People like it, they give you amazing comments, they hype you up, they tell you you're glowing, and it's all amazing because you're getting all of that external validation that each of us so deeply craves. And for a moment, it all feels really great. Like, oh, maybe I do belong here. But every single time I end up spending a few hours worth of time on Instagram or even YouTube Shorts, I can't help but compare myself to all of these amazing people that I see on social media. And I look at them and I think to myself, here are people who already have established careers. They have entire teams handling their content. They are so consistent. They're great at what they do. They have got the perfect career. They wake up with like glowing skin. They have like a 10 step, 15 step morning and nighttime skincare routine. They wake up like at 6 a.m. and they grab that little matcha cups, matcha, and they head to the Pilates class, and then the boyfriends literally worship them, and they have their cute little aesthetic, friend group. And I love all of that for them. But honestly, when I see all of that, I can't help but wonder, why do I feel like I'm stuck? And these people, all of them, they're just going on ticking off every little thing they possibly could have on their bucket list. And I'm just stuck in my life. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing, where I am at my life. I'm nowhere close to where I want to be. And like in this loop of feeling, it always feels like no matter what I do, I'll never be enough. Like, my best will never be enough, will never get me there. It's like there's a glass wall between me and the dream life that I want, and I'm just standing on my side of it and just watching while everyone else gets to touch it, and I'm just like standing and looking. It's not a very nice feeling, is it? And someone watching or someone out there might say, "Oh, you're just overthinking. You're just being way too hard on yourself. You're doing just fine." But that's the thing. I don't want to do just fine. I want to feel alive. I want to feel seen, not just by the algorithm, but by myself. I want to feel like I'm not just existing, but I'm actually living my life. I want to feel like I'm doing enough without having to prove to myself and to the world daily by being perfect and productive all the time. I deserve everything that I want and much more. So yeah, this isn't some motivational video that you'd expect, from a content creator like me who creates videos on, positivity, confidence, and, stuff like that. But this video, this is me being real. This is me showing you what actually goes on in not just mine, but all of our heads. This is just me being honest about the pressure, about the confusion, about the ache of wanting to do something meaningful, but constantly questioning whether I even matter or not. And maybe someone who's watching, maybe some of you feel the exact same way. And to those of you who feel the exact same way, let me tell you something. I cannot tell you an answer at the end of this all. I do not have a solution for you. But let me tell you something. We cannot let the fear of not being enough stop us from trying anyways. Because honestly, all this time is going to pass anyways. But if you do not even give it like one shot, the time is going to pass anyway, and you're going to end up in the exact same place you were. So why not just do it, right? Even if it's messy, even if I don't go viral, even if it's not gonna end up with me becoming the next, PewDiePie or Carrie Minati or, mostly sane. Because I don't want to be them. We don't have to be them. When I grow up, I want to be Anvesha. I want to be contemplate adult because this is who I am, right? Let's just be us. Let's just be who we are. Let's just take this to where it's meant to be. And let's not allow the fear of not being enough to stop us from trying. There is literally no harm in trying. And maybe, just maybe, the real win isn't actually becoming the girl that everyone wants to be, but in actually becoming the girl that I like being. That's it. That's the direction I'm walking towards. And some days I'm running, some days I'm just walking, sometimes I'm barely, limping there, and sometimes I'm just crawling on the ground. And sometimes I just lay at a place, just take my time, sit. But what matters is that we show up every single day and we keep showing up. Because at the end of the day, that is what we can do. All we can do is keep showing up and trust in universe and in God that we will get there one day when it's meant to be, and it's going to be just for us. And if it's our destiny, nothing can stop us from getting there, because what's meant for us will never pass by us. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you related to any part of this video. If you like this button, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to join me on this journey called life. And I love you guys so much for watching and for sharing this, soul space with me. This is my secret soul space. Thank you for sharing this with me. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Good night, or good morning, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching. Bye bye.